don't know if because in the 70s, for them daddy, me understand, say, some man from England, they come out here with some things, say, like, in never dream or in find some, like a plan, where, like, in four parents, them bury money in a Jamaica around a free school, born broke. And come down and come arrange to come get the money, then call it panajar. You ever hear that about panajar? Money. Like, because I understand, say, way back in a slavery, them rich, them white man, when they used to bury their money under the earth and then usually kill a slave and bury them with it, so to keep the money. So the money are in something make out of like pottery. Some people still have those things too, but then keep water in there because it make out of clay and it keep water cool. So the man come and make arrangement. If he come back, if he then go, when come with it, like it look like say in find a family, the man in find something where then draw for show which are the money there, like a plan. So he want to get the money. So
like a treasure map.
Yes, right. Yes, yeah. So he make plan for them. I go have like a coming or something. Then tell him how he can't get the money. Like have some coming out here dance and something, and for get the money. And some man now, was about 4 or 5 man, I go before the man come back from England. One for first the man to go take out the money. And then go, me understand, so they had this coming or something. And then Roman kind of something and I go on and you understand, say, ghost come up in the 70s, you understand? And start to run them down. and this girl when me tell her, when me assure you so he ain't no good. I only fiend father alive. Everybody dead, then they broke. Then so I read something, so I put on to the hospital, dead. Tough head. Only him left, there's a left foot on it. And one man named Man to that I love telling with the story. Because he did figure, but he never did go.
There's some shortcut over there that people take?
You still have to go around and have to come back.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Unless them go best work or so.
Yeah.
But when they fix the tire, if them go that way, now they don't have to come back down and just. Yeah, then kind of go other place. Like go down like too. Transport authority. Ah, you see?
That's why the...
Okay. That's the problem.
Well, that guy's got a civilian car, so why is he being stopped? Because he was running taxi in a civilian car. See, no red plates. That's why.
And when you put them on. See that taxi come around and wheel it.
They go that way.
You see, that's why maybe. You see the guy that make sign at show. One black taxi, one banner there, like that is why I make sign. Yeah. They know that I make sign.